This top-of-the-line one-owner 2016 Thor Freedom Elite could be just the right Class C motorhome you've been looking for. At 27 feet long with a bedroom slide, this coach is wide on comfort and long on luxury. The exterior is in excellent condition, has a glorious, lustrous appearance, and shows little to no signs of wear and tear. This nice motorhome has passed our thorough inspection process and earned the Inspected and Protected seal of approval. It also includes the industry's best extended warranty and a free Carfax report. Built on an E450 Super Duty chassis, this coach uses leaf springs and gas-charged shocks to give you a smooth and stable ride. The combination of a Ford Triton 6.8-liter V10 engine and an automatic transmission has very low miles and will give you many more years of adventure. Exterior features include an 11-foot power patio awning and slider topper awning. There's plenty of lower storage in the two standard compartments. There's also a rear ladder and individual rear mud flaps. The tinted windows provide protection from interior fading. Stepping into this Class C motorhome, you'll immediately hear the call of the road. The cab features comforts like plush velour captain's chairs, tilt steering with cruise control on the wheel, in-dash AM/FM CD DVD multimedia player stereo, power windows and door locks, and overhead map lights. Safety features include anti-lock brakes, stability and traction control, rear view monitor system, driver and passenger airbags, large side mirrors with blind spot mirror, exterior security lighting, and an entry door deadbolt. Having arrived safely at your campsite, just plug into on-site power or kick on the onboard generator. Extend the slide, put the privacy curtain in place, and camp in style. Curl up on the convertible plush velour sofa as you view the best shows and movies on the 32-inch high-def LCD TV. Choose your favorite programming from the CD/DVD player, cable and satellite from a standard hookup, or local channels via the roof-mounted digital antenna. Share a meal or a cup of coffee at the legless convertible dinette with elegant Formica top and designer fabric booth seating with pull-out storage drawer while enjoying the vista of your destination. Features like fine wood accents, beautiful light maple cabinets with brushed gunmetal hardware, accent lighting, and the elegance of the overall decor and fabric choices are just a few of the high-end details you'd expect in a motorhome of this class. Preparing meals is easy in the nicely equipped kitchen with quite a bit of counter space and storage. Durable Formica countertops, surface-mounted double sink with high-rise faucet, hard-mounted microwave oven, stovetop vent hood with light, oven with 3-burner cooktop, and 2-door refrigerator freezer. Hidden behind a wood door is the private bath with porcelain toilet, Formica top vanity with sink and mirrored medicine cabinet, and shower with frosted retractable enclosure and skylight. You'll love to have plenty of storage and counter space in the master bedroom in the large built-in wardrobe with beautiful mirrored door, as well as overhead and in and on the nightstands. Come bedtime, you'll sleep in luxurious comfort in your supportive queen-size mattress. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies on the 24-inch high-def LCD TV with built-in under-cabinet speakers and relax yourself to sleep. There are also pleated shades and a sliding fabric curtain for privacy. Use the above cab area for additional storage or extra sleeping space for two. There are pleated window shades and a pull curtain for privacy. For even more sleeping space, convert the sofa and dinette. There's still more of this fantastic motorhome that you must see on your personal walkthrough tour, so contact us today.